Jeep Mama says, oh hell no! So we're at Kelly Flats on the Front Range, mountain range in the Rockies. This is called Heart Attack Hill, and some of us opted just to go partway up. We're parking, waiting for our group to finish going up. I don't know if you can see them up there on the mountain. And it's snowy, which makes it a lot more slick. So I'm gonna play it safe and just enjoy the mountain air and the beauty, and we'll go back down and we'll go around the bypass, which is smarter. Anyway, you can see him up there. Oh my God!
Wheeling in the snow can be extremely fun, especially on an easy trail you've wheeled many times without snow. The snow gives an added challenge to the trails that can turn a mild trail to a difficult trail. If you are new to snow wheeling, the lack of experience driving in the snow can turn a small mistake into a day of disaster. I grew up driving in the snow. After years of experiencing snow on the road, it becomes second nature on how your vehicle reacts in the snow and how you react to that.
Harley, come here. Come here. Got it.
There are also different types of snow that takes experience to understand how to maneuver your vehicle through it. But throwing mountain trails with ledges and trees is a whole other level. Jeep Mama's top 5 tips when snow wheeling in the mountains. Number 1, don't wheel on snowy mountain trails alone. It is very easy to get your vehicle stuck in the snow. If you get stuck, which the chances are high when you wheel in the snow, you will want to have the option of another vehicle to help you out. Number 2, know your limits and your experience, just like I did on Heart Attack Hill. I know my Jeep is capable. I know I have a lot of experience driving in the snow. However, I'm not that experienced in the snow on rocky inclines up a mountain trail. So I decided to get a little more snow driving under my belt first. My Jeep is my daily driver, so I opted for caution. Do what's best for you and your vehicle.
And you can hear this, I think it's an XJ. He's having a hell of a time. Whew. That's just no thank you. Look at that. This reminds me of, like, I don't know, something in Moab. I'll pass. Pass. I didn't realize it was all the way up there. Here we are, going back down, I would say the first quarter of Heart Attack Hill. This is my daily driver, and you know what? I don't have anything to prove. I've wheeled all over the country. I don't need to go up Heart Attack Hill. In the snow, I did part of it, did pretty good. So anyway, I'm gonna put my camera down because I'm gonna put 2 hands on the wheel here. I'll let him go down first. And I'll see you at the end, the bottom. That was pretty flexy. The group behind us really tore up. You can hear I'm flexing maximum. The group that went up after us really tore that up with their wheel spin and the snow. But we are heading the bypass way, which in my mind is the smart way. But it's so beautiful out here with the snow-covered mountain, the pine trees. Hopefully the bypass isn't hard. I just like to be out in my Jeep in the mountains.
Number 3, this comes with experience, knowing when to give it gas and when to take it slow. You can practice while on a flat, easy part of the trail to see how the snow in your Jeep react to giving it gas, and then using a little gas pedal finesse and test how your Jeep reacts. Remember, the brakes are not your friend in the snow.
There's a lot of fishtailing to the right, which can get kind of intense.
Number 4, wheel spinning in the snow is not your friend either. This will just result in digging you into a deeper hole. Too much spin can melt the top layer of snow, which can refreeze and halt you in your tracks. Instead, like in number 3, use your gas pedal finesse and ease up on the throttle. You might need to back up a foot or two before trying to continue. Number 5, learning to read the snow. It's one of the most important techniques in snow wheeling. There are so many different types of snow. Soft, wet snow is different than hard, cold snow. There's crusty snow, powdery snow, slushy snow, and all this snow can be in different layers. Some of the snow will pack and clog your tires, and some you can just easily plow through. Understanding the layers and the dynamics of snow in your Jeep helps you make smart decisions while wheeling.
Once through Heart Attack Hill, or the bypass, which was pretty intense for me in the snow. We're now on Forest Road, which is, pretty simple. It's beautiful. The mountains and the snow-covered rocks and the pine trees, the fresh air, the sun, the blue skies. It's amazing. By the way, most of the time I was running with my lockers, rear and front, and obviously four-wheel drive. There was one point going around on this mountain top. It was pretty slick, the snow, and I kind of panicked, slowed down, lost momentum, and I was freaked out. And Joe, who's in the red Jeep up there, saved me. He gets out and he talks me through it. He said, put it in first and just slowly crawl. Your Jeep will do it. And she did it. I didn't slide. I didn't fishtail to the right. I just slowly crawled, and my Jeep got me through my little frozen fears. She always gets me through.
There was one more obstacle left for the day on Kelly Flats in northern Colorado.
Yes, my favorite word, bypass.
On a typical summer day, this obstacle is difficult. We decided to get out and take a peek on our feet.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
As we walked up through the snow-covered rocks, we knew time to tackle this trail would be this summer.
Holy crap. So you got to go through this?
Yeah, and then it goes up and around. Yeah, you have to crawl on the wall.
Yeah, you can see the black.
Yeah.
Do you ever think, who thinks of, oh, let's go this way?
Everybody.
Not me.
For more Jeep Life with Jeep Mama, head over to my blog at jeepmama.com.